Hey guys, good morning. So I finally decided to get up and try to get a workout in, but before I do, I wanted to show y'all my Team U outfit. I've had a video on TikTok showing like I guess it's a haul showing what I got off of Team U, and I put it on TikTok. But when I put on the outfit, the little workout outfit, it didn't look right, and I put it on again right now and it still don't look right. But I'm gonna show y'all because I ain't scared no more. But this is what I look like in it. So I'm gonna just turn the camera like this so I can see. So this is what I look like in it. I ain't got no hips, so I have those little crumble up lines where where it should be like, you know, flat at. And then I got my mommy tummy going on, boob sagging, because I'm about to stop breastfeeding because he only does at night. But now I'm about to, you know, I'm about to get ready to stop completely. But this is what I'm looking like, and you can already tell what I don't like just by looking at the video. So this tummy right here, I want to plump up the booty a little bit. Oh, that tummy is out of there. And then I want my legs to get a little bit bigger. My arms are big, and I know I'd rather for them to get a little bit smaller, but I don't know how to do that besides doing a full body workout. Because, you know, when you work out, you can't just target just one area to lose fat. You kind of gotta, you're gonna be losing fat elsewhere, so you gotta try to, you know, work out more in one area just to, you know, even it out. I don't know how to explain it, but like, you know, I ain't no personal trainer or nothing like that. But yeah, this is what I'm looking like. I would love to have a little bit more hips or whatnot, but yeah, this is what I'm working with. Looking, I don't know, that belly got to go. This is what it looks like in the back. I can just feel the little lining. Can y'all? The little lining trying to separate my booty and everything. Oh my god, it's so funny. But yeah, so I need to do some squats. That's my son. All right, it's quiet over there. Nenzo ain't moving. Let me go see what he doing. I was gonna go in the garage. The garage door is open. I didn't know he left it open all day, but I'm gonna close it because I don't want nobody to see me working out. But yeah, see, the garage door was open. It's getting dark, so I turn the light. All right, so I'm going to try to work out in the garage. I have my little my things right here. So these what are these? These bands is what I'm gonna try to use over here, working out at my little weight area right here. So I'm gonna put these right here because I'm gonna have to put on some shoes. I ain't got no shoes on. But first I gotta make sure my baby good, because he at the table, he was eating lunch, and the kids left them. It's Miss Tree, so cute. Let me turn down this TV and somehow it's so loud. But guys, I have to finish. Another thing is, let me turn the camera. So this is what I need to finish. I started it but didn't finish it. I was doing really good. All this is freehand drawing. But got my Christmas tree going. I might have to do more green up there because it looks a little dark. Gingerbread man, and then the candy cane. And I'm trying to do for Christmas Day Santa on the sleigh with his reindeers sliding into December. We'll see how that goes, but so far this is what I got going on. My kids already smearing it, trying to see if it comes off, and they already messed it up right there. Baby, look at him over there. He's asleep. Oh, I gotta get him out. Oh, Papa. Oh, Papa, sleep. Let's get him out. Junior, Nenzo sleep. I wish I knew how to get him out. Let me see. Oh. What you gonna do to it? Come here, Papa. At the lights? No, I'm not done. I'm not about to do it right now. I don't know how I'm gonna work on it. He wants to do it. Do you know how to do it? Yeah. These kids, every time I start something, they want to do it. So like this YouTube thing, they've been wanting to watch the videos on on YouTube, and they've been watching it, and they like when they see themselves on TV, when they, you know, have it streaming on the TV or whatever, and I think that's cute. But since this is a Christmas vlog, I'm gonna wear a Santa hat while I do my workout, so I can look cute, you know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm gonna do. But I don't know how I'm gonna do it because this little man is asleep, knocked out. Everybody gotta take a bath. I already took my bath. I gotta get everybody else in the bathtub. Junior. So yeah, I don't know where to put him at because he will not lay down unless he's laying on me. And I got to clean this kitchen. I'm gonna show y'all this kitchen's so bad. You can probably see behind me, but I'm supposed to be cooking. They want some hamburger helper, so I'm gonna end up cooking hamburger helper. And then I have to get these boxes thrown away. There's still dishes. Like, I just can't keep up. And our dishwasher does not work. Our sink is starting to stop up. It's like so much stuff is breaking down. We just got our new microwave, and it's like I can't keep up. But yeah, we gotta get all that fixed. So we're gonna get that fixed soon, and then we gotta do our Christmas shopping and everything. And so we just got a lot going on. But today, all it's gonna be is me working out. I gotta do a couple cleaning. I gotta finish the board. And then, guys, I have my wig. It came in. So once I put him down, do a little workout, and then I'll show the wig at the end. So let me do that. You wanna lay down? He will not sleep without me. All right, so look, that side looks good. Look at him. Hey baby, why are you doing that? But look at this side. His arm is all out. Oh my gosh, trying to do it good. But he about to work out with me, right? Boom, 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 booga, 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 booga. Oh baby. All right, we're done, and so I'm about to get ready to start on my board. Little man made it through. Say, hey, Papa. You made it to the workout. Hold on, guys. So I gotta do some sit-ups. So I'm gonna take young man off first. Strap. I hold him. I strap this, and I just swing him around because he's light enough now. But if he wasn't light enough, then 1, 2, 3. You're light enough now, Papa. You worked out with Mama? He's sweating on his stomach. Good job, Papa. Mama gotta do some sit-ups. You gonna do some with me? Guys, this is why he just threw it. This is why I cannot finish. Look what he did. He's messing up my stuff. Oh my gosh, he just threw. Okay, you know what? You're done. Nenzo, I tried to do it while you're in here, but you're messing up my board. Look what he did.